A silent cry by Poetry Lab. I hear your voice, tough you do not speak. You have a longing, trust in love you seek. At night you cry, but there is no one to hear, no one to listen. To that dream you hold dear. Most people don't care, so they do not see your tears. They cannot hear your silent cries, nor sense your deepest fears. You live in a constant shadow of what tomorrow will bring. Will it bring joy or laughter or teardrops? What will sting? Today I am here, the silent cry, an echo from far, far away. It made me cry too. I don't know what to say. You are surrounded by people, yet you are all alone. They do not see the teardrop which cuts you to the bone. They cannot feel the anger, see things within your heart. They cannot feel this pain tearing you apart. You did not choose this fate, but its hardship you must face. The silent cry is a longing to escape to a suffer place. The past cannot change. You cannot change who you are. This one thing you can do. You can try to heal the scare. I am here to help you. In my love, you can relay in a silent cry.